This is Eli from Typewriter Minutes. Did you ever buy or go to look at a typewriter that the seller said was in mint condition?
It's super clean.
The rubber feet are like new.
It'll be packed with care.
And then you look at the typewriter.
We can hear the seller laughing now.
Welcome back to Typewriter Minutes. This is Sam. We wanted to wish you a happy Halloween, which is coming up very soon. Now, this is a typewriter we got from Goodwill, and we've been wondering, is it a trick or a treat? This typewriter was definitely a treat. It's a Smith Corona Galaxie II, and it was made from 1964 to 1966. Typewriter database wasn't entirely clear on the date it was made, so we're going to say 1965.
So it was a shop Goodwill machine, and they always sell them as is, where is, haven't been tested, and we weren't expecting this nice of a machine. I don't think I've ever seen, at least in my collection, a typewriter that is in such unused, clean condition. We'll give you a quick tour of the body. It's a nice kind of silver metallic green. There really isn't a single scratch on it. The only thing on the back that I see is right here and right here. There's two little dimples where it sits on the rubber bumpers in the case. If there's any metallurgists in the audience, you could tell us whether that's just the weight of the machine sitting on that for 50 years or what, because this is common on a lot of the same Smith Coronas that we have in our collection. A few tiny scratches back here, but otherwise the thing really is mint condition. We haven't cleaned it, we haven't done anything to it. It's been sitting waiting for a new ribbon. Has the original spools. Haven't, like I said, haven't put a new ribbon in, but the type slugs, the type bars, everything when we got it, perfectly clean. No eraser shavings, no dirt, no anything. And it's kind of cool because it has the matching green platen to go with the paint. We've seen gold platens to match gold color machines of the same model. We've seen blue platens to go with blue typewriters. I don't know if I've seen a red yet. If you've seen any other color platens, let us know because I'm kind of interested in that. But overall, just a super clean, super minty machine. Very excited to get it. There's some advertisements from 1964 through 1966 for the Galaxie II.
Be foxy. Give a Smith Corona portable with a jeweled main bearing, first in any typewriter, changeable type, and all steel frame, a 5-year guarantee, and 26 other exciting features. It's a gem.
Think ahead. Get Smith Corona, the only portable with a jeweled main bearing today.
Ooh. Let's take a quick peek at the bottom of the machine.
It's beautiful.
Very nice. Okay, let's take a look at that keyboard. What do we have?
Touch control is over here. Light, medium, and heavy. There's the standard QWERTY keyboard, as you know, for most Smith Coronas. A dedicated 1 and exclamation mark key. Ribbon color selector. Tab, margin release. Tab clear, tab set, and also this can pop off.
So this, we've shown this before, but it's got a little replaceable key top. You can buy custom key tops with matching type slugs for math symbols or science symbols. Actually saw one online that has a smiley face and a frowny face. I really want to get one of those. So the key top pops on and off, and then under the type basket, that same key has a removable type slug. Looks different than all the others. You just slide it this way and then up. It pops right off. Then pick your type slug, put it back on, and you're good to go. It's got basket shift like every other Smith Corona in the history of the world, just about. And what other features do we have here?
We've got the Platen knob, carriage release lever.
Let's hear that bell.
Nice and loud. As we've shown before, it has a green Platen, paper bail,
Eraser.
margins.
Yep, sliding margins. It's got the paper table here.
It's got a Star Trek ribbon cover.
Yeah, if you've seen our senior Star Trek, you'll know what we're talking about. Has a jeweled escapement. They really played that up quite a bit in the advertisements of the day. We have the page gauge over here.
Exclusive Smith Corona feature.
So if you look at our 56 Smith Corona video, you'll see how the page gauge works. And then paper release lever. This is the, I'll bet you the Platen's probably never been out of this machine, but it's got a quick release Platen. Move the carriage all the way to the right. This pops up with this little bar. Oop, lift that up. Platen. Yep. Twist it. There you go. Slides right out. Nice and green and clean. Feels a little hard. Not the softest we've had, but no pits or anything. Looks like it's in really good shape. Goes back in the same way. Slide it in.
You're probably all familiar with this process. We've shown it before.
Here we go. Okay.
Good to go.
And what else? Have we covered all the features? We have the pop-up paper supports here in the back.
Or as we like to call them, bunny ears. Smith Corona logo.
Here's the line space selector. One, two.
2 spaces and 3 spaces.
And then here's the, pull it out and you can go to whatever space you want on the form for filling it out. And then this line, or this lever here, does the same thing. Also allows you to move your forms to wherever you want. This one retains your clicking position. This one, you'll lose it. Not a big deal either way. And it has also kind of a nice color matching padded little pad on the return arm on this side and on that side, so it gives it a really nice touch and a nice look. Okay, it has the original spools. Always love getting the original metal spools. They just look better, I think, than the plastic ones. Has the original ribbon, so we're gonna put some new ribbons on this machine and a few other machines, and when we get that done, we'll be back for the type test.
Now for a quick type test on a typewriter that may have never typed more than a page in its life.
So the youngest member of Typewriter Minutes is taking her afternoon nap, so we had to move to a different part of the house. Let's put the paper in. Haven't adjusted it or anything. We'll just see what we get. First,
On the black setting,
looks pretty good for a machine that's never been used. Now,
on the red setting,
we move the right margin over just a bit. Let's do a little bit of shadowing right there. That's probably my typing style.
Now for an alignment test.
Shift cap H. Let's get that straight on. Not bad. I think the little H's can come down a little bit when we'll do some adjustments on that. Let's just do one more test. Yeah, we'll need a little bit of tweaking, but overall it looks pretty good.
We forgot something to show you under the hood.
So it does have an automatic ribbon reverse system. Oop, this ribbon got out of the fork. You have to have eyelets on the two ribbons. And then if you want to do a manual ribbon reverse, it's this lever right over here. Pulls back and forth for manual ribbon reverse.
And now for a look at the not so mint condition item, the typewriter case.
It's actually in good shape. It has a little bit of dust and marks because we haven't cleaned it yet, but it's done a really good job protecting the contents. It's a standard Smith Corona streamlined carrying case.
Made with skill, packed with care.
We'll wrap up this review of the 1965 Smith Corona Galaxie II with some pros and cons. The pros are, it's in mint condition, really. It has a matching green body, platen, and return arm cushion, and it has a great typing feel and some cool styling.
The cons, the only ones we could think of, it has a little bit more plastic than prior versions of Smith Coronas. The plastic keyboard cover used to be metal on the 50s machines, now it's plastic. And it's got some plastic levers here instead of chrome. And then the styling's not for everybody. I personally love the Galaxie style typewriters. Some people just don't care for them, and I don't know why, because I think they're beautiful.
That's all for now on Typewriter Minutes. Be sure to share, link, like, and subscribe. Also, have a happy Halloween.
Oi, 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 oi.